Hello everybody, my name is SuperWiz6991 and today I'm going to show you how to register your name on IRC. For this example I'm going to use the web interface that's on the Pwn9 website. First thing you're going to want to do, if you don't already have one, is choose a nickname. This one we're going to use test user 404 and then you're going to connect. And this will connect you to all the Pwn9 channels on IRC. Now, it is not recommended when you do this to do the registration process in an active channel, just in case, because if a command gets messed up, it could put your email address and your password and whatnot into the chat, and you don't want that. So if you're using the web interface, you're going to want to click on status, which will take you to the console. If you decide to use a downloadable standalone client, like I use Ice Chat, you'll just click on the server name. The one I connect to is Espernet. And you'll go right in here into this chat bar. And the commands are the same whether you do it with the web interface or if you have a standalone client. And the command is /nickserv register. My password, you change to whatever you want your password to be. And then your email address. Use my old Yahoo one that I no longer use. And then you'll press enter and it'll register your nickname. Now, just note that whatever you log in as, that will be your nickname. So whatever that nickname was, the nickname that I put in when I joined in here, which was test user 404, when I do this command, that's what my username will be. You can register other names with the same email address, so that's fine. So if you do mess it up, you can always just register another one. So then press enter, and that's going to give you this notification right here. An email containing nickname activation instructions has been sent to your email address. If you do not complete registration within 1 day, your nickname will expire. It tells you whatever your nickname was is now registered to your email address with the password, and it shows you the password. Then you're going to go into your email. And there should be, there it is. You'll get this email message, which will give you a command to run to verify that you want to register that nickname. Just copy that, go back to IRC, go into the chat line, paste it in there again, and again, do this in the console. Don't do this in an active channel. Press that, and bam, you've now verified that username and it is now registered. Now, when you go to log in, the next time you log into IRC, you're going to have to do a couple things. There's 2 ways you can do it. I'm going to show you. Okay, so you see my screen name's already in there. Now, if you're using the web interface on Pwn9, you can either click log into services and put in your password that way, which is the easiest. Or if you're using a download client like I do, you'll put it in your server connection information to automatically run the command to log you in, which I'll show you that now. You'll click connect. Now, because I didn't put in my password, I'm not logged in, I'm not identified, so I can't chat. If I type something in, it won't show it. So if I do test, nobody else will see it, even if I get, no matter what I do. So what you got to do, and again, do this in status, do /identify, and then your password. And you are now identified as that username. And then you can chat. And that command works both in this web interface and it works in the downloadable client. And like I said, if you have a downloadable client, you can actually set in your connection settings to automatically perform that command so you don't have to do it. And it also stores your username information and auto joins the channels for you, and it's a lot nicer than the web interface. Not that there's anything wrong with this, but personally I prefer the standalone client, which the one I use again is Ice Chat, which I will post a tutorial for that so you guys can see what that looks like and see how it works.